Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And today is a very lovely day. We have a lovely weather outside. And so we will be discussing a lovely topic as well. Okay. So, why I'm saying this is a lovely topic because I have a major interest in this. Okay. So, let's start with it. Now, I'll not be telling you what we are going to discuss today. So, I'll be showing you some pictures. You will identify this and then you will tell me that what we will be discussing in today's class. Okay. So, tell me, we were done. First, just tell me that how many of you have revised the yesterday's lecture. We are done with that topic, that how things were in the past and how they are in the present. Is there any confusion in that topic? No? All of everything is clear? Okay, that's great. So, let's start with today's topic. First, tell me how many of you are interested in cars and motorbikes and yes, raise your hands. How many of you love knowing about them? How many of you keep on checking that what is the new model of car, which thing, which is the, like, how many of you are interested in types of vehicles? Yes, raise your hands. Okay, most of the boys are, and yes, Elise is also interested. Okay, let's start with Elise because yes, boys are most of the time interested. So let's start with Elise. That why Elise is interested and in which thing? Yes, Elise. You like scooties, okay. What type of scooties? Okay, that's great. So Aliza likes scooties, okay, and cycles as well. Aliza, you love cycling? Okay, great. Yes, I love cycling too. Okay, let's listen to the boys now. Yes, Ahmed, tell me, what type of vehicles do you like? You love knowing cars, to know about them, okay. So do you keep on updating yourself with new models, with new designs? Yes? Okay, so see, well, me and my siblings also have a great interest in different types of vehicles. So whenever we are going somewhere, so throughout the drive, the major discussion, the major part of discussion is about the vehicle. See, this is the new model of that car. See, this is the new model of that one. Oh, it is more beautiful than the previous one. So this is the discussion that we made while traveling, right? So tell me, how many of you have such types of discussions during traveling? Yes. Okay, great. This is wonderful. So this means that you guys keep yourself updated with this and you know that why, what are vehicles and why are they important, right? So let's discuss about the importance of this topic. Why should we know this? Why should we study this topic? You know that transport and vehicles, they play a very important part in our life. Now we can easily travel to a longer distance. We can easily travel. We can easily reach somewhere within few hours, right? But in past times it was not possible because we don't have that much good transportation system, right? So people travel for months in order to reach somewhere. Similarly, if we talk about the normal scenarios, people prefer walking by because there were no that much vehicles, and if they were too costly. So people prefer to save money and they prefer to walk over there rather than riding, right? So all of these things, and if we and talk about the types of transport, we have yes, cattle carts and things like that. But now we have advanced transportation system, we have water transportation system, we have air transportation system, we have road transport. And all of these things have made our life very very easier, right? So let's start. In today's class we will just be introducing ourselves with different types of transportation and what are their names, because most of us do not know the name of every transport. So I'll introduce you with transportation vocabulary, okay? So before moving toward that, I'm going to show you this picture and you are supposed to identify that what is it, okay? Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not, okay? Is it visible? Okay, great. Can you please tell me the names of these vehicles? Yes. What are they? At first we have, what is this? It's a car. Then we have aeroplane. Then we have a bus, which is more like a skyways or right? Then we have a bullet train. Yes. And what is this? No, it's not an ambulance. It's like a courier. Yes. With the vehicles that carry couriers, right? Oh, so now. let's move forward. And before I introduce you with the transportation vocabulary, let's watch an interesting video related to this, and then we will move forward together. Okay.
Transport and the forms of transport. Oh, that's a car. We use a car every day. It's anything with four wheels, small, big. Oh, or we can use the bicycle. It's good for health, healthy, and also a transport, a form of transport, bicycle or a motorbike. Oh, then we can always use the bus, the big bus we use for schools or to travel between cities. Or we can use the train, the railway. Yeah, it's a very fun ride. Or we can use the helicopter. That's also a transportation mode. Or we can use the most famous and favorite aeroplane to travel across the country, inside or outside. These are all the form of transportations.
Okay, so you have seen that in the video we have learned about different types of transportation, the road transportation, air transportation, water transportation, right? And all of which, and they have also talked about the purpose of it. Let's say for what purpose we use that type of transportation, right? Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen again with you, and there are some. We will first talk about the transport vocabulary, and then we will also talk about the purpose of this vehicle. Okay, so let's start from here. This is a truck. Well, the trucks are usually used for carrying the, yes, they carry the stuff from one area to another area, and they are slow movers. They don't move fast as a car or a motorbike or a bus, right? Because they carry huge stuff. They have a heavy load on it, so they cannot travel fast. Then we talk about a school bus. Well, school bus is specifically used for taking children to and back from the school. This is a school van in which students travel, right? Then we have an ambulance. Ambulance is specifically used for carrying patients to the hospitals, right? Okay. And then we have different types of ambulance. We have a very good systems in our country, alhamdulillah, like rescue 1122, which is really at the moment when you call them. Then we have an ED ambulances, right? So we have some such good systems, and they keep on working very well. Then we have a bicycle. Okay, this bicycle is, well, now most of people do not prefer it. People prefer bikes, people prefer cars, but bicycle is a very good thing in order to keep yourself healthy and fit. You can take a bicycle for yourself, and you can ride if you want to go to the market. If you want to go to the school, you can go to on your bicycle as well. But the thing is, which you should keep in your mind, that you are not supposed to drive your bicycle at some heavy traffic areas, right? Because this would not be safe for you. Then we have motorcycles. So motorcycles are basically faster than the bicycles, and we use motorcycles for, well, for a lot of purposes. Couriers, it's used by different companies. Now we have like the Careem and Uber, which are the taxi systems. We have a bike system as well, which carries you. You can just book a bike for you, and it carries you from one place to another. Then we have a lorry. This is again, usually this is used in some construction site, and they worked over there, right? Then we have a bus. A bus have a lot of purposes. um, you can book a bus for a school trip. You can bus a book for a family trip. Buses are used for taking children to the school, to the universities. Then people travel on buses on usual basis as well. Then we have a taxi. Taxi is again, it also plays the same purpose as a bus, and it carries people from one place to another. You can use it for your own family purpose as well, and you can use it for public as well. Then we have a police car. Police car is specifically used by policemen, for all of their for only during their duties, right? Normal people cannot travel in it. Then we have a mixer. Mixer is also used on the construction site, and it basically mixes cement with other stuff, whichever is needed on the construction site, right? Okay, then we have these ships. Well, ships carry stuff again. These are used for indoor and outdoor, whichever the things that we get, right. So it is used for taking. Let's say we can say that basically these ships are used for carrying long packages, right? All of the let's say if we want to get something, we have ordered something from another country, and they will take it to the border of our country, and from there we will just put it in the ships, and they carry stuff like that, right? Then we have helicopter. A helicopter is well, people do have their own private helicopters as well, but this is not a local or a normal transportation mode, you can say. It is used mostly by the armies, like any type of armies, right? And then we it is used by some high people as well, right? Some elite class peoples or some high authorities. Then we have a micro. Well, micro is small mini car in which two people can only sit, and you can use it for your normal purpose. I prefer this. This is really good for the girls. If they want to, let's say, if they want to go to their office, they want to go to their school or somewhere, they can carry this car. Then we have a parachute. Parachute is also a mode of transportation, and parachute is usually used by the people for, well, it is a safer mode. It is kept in aeroplanes for a safer landing. If, let's say, God forbid, there comes an accident to the aeroplane, so that people can land safely. Then we have a zeppelin. Well, this is not used normally. This is again used for some higher purposes. And then we have last a van. A van can be used for multi purposes. You can carry something in it. People can sit. You can use it as a leopard carriers in which people send their the packages from one place to another, and they carry them in vans as well, right? Okay, so we have talked about a very vast variety of vocabulary. Well, there I cannot say that this is all. There is a huge we have a huge variety of other things as well. But what I want you to tell me is that, tell me how many of you were familiar with, from all of these, how many of you were familiar with all of this, or what are the things new for you? Yes, tell me one by one. Zeppelin is new for you, okay. Yes, Alize. A lorry, okay, you don't know the name of this, okay, great. Then Wase, a micro, you don't know the name of this, you just call it as a car, okay. This is micro, why? Because this is very small, right? Okay. Yes, Ahmed. Again, is Apolline. Okay, class. So, see, this was a very simple vocabulary that most of us already know, but still we have practiced it, we have revised it together so that everything gets clear to us. Now, what I want you is that you are supposed to make a list of the transport things, the transportation systems that you are already familiar with. Write their names on your notebook and draw the picture of any two of them. Hurry up. Take out your notebooks, write today's date, and write the name of transportation systems. Yes, hurry up. All of you are done? Okay, great. That was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.